Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be using some new chromes from Madam Glam. I swatched them all out for you, and their names are written first, and then they are on black and white swatches so you can see how they look. So that's everything. I decided to go with flamenco in this video, and I'm using it a little bit different. Again, today I'm going to be using Polygel just like in the last video. I already have my prep done. If you want to see how I do my prep, my filing, everything I leave out, I'll have videos in the cards that should help you on that. And I'm using this color called Red Bean from Gershon. This is a color I pretty much never reach for. It's not my favorite color basically, so I would like to use up this product, especially under a design that's gonna cover it up anyways. So after file shaping and buffing, I'm going in with this new color I got from Madam Glam called Pink and Gold Flakes, and it's so pretty on its own. It has this kind of lilac vibe to it, and I was trying to turn flamenco into a baby pink chrome by putting a pink underneath, and I swatched a ton of different pinks with it, like every single pink that I owned, and this one looked the absolute best with it, so I went ahead and used this. I'm gonna do 2 layers of this and then a top coat. I'm using Madam Glam Snow White top coat, and it seemed to work super well with the chrome. It just burnished in so nice, and then I will seal that in with their top coat again. So after curing, I'm gonna do some bling. I'm just using all light rose stones, and I'm gonna do some point backs that I got off Amazon that have like this pink tint to it. And since these are supposed to be like Coachella festival inspired, I threw on a little silver feather because that's kind of like the best I can come up with. I don't know. I was really inspired by Aaliyah J's Coachella pictures, and she's kind of doing like this Western cowgirl glam type of vibe or whatever. So I just drew inspiration from that look, and I went with some kind of like, I don't know, I'm getting like Barbie cowgirl tees or like Western glam like chrome vibe. I don't know. Do you guys know what I'm trying to say here? So this is the final result. Oh my god, y'all, I think we finally did it. We finally have that baby pink chrome. I have tried to do this look with the Daily Charm pink chrome, and it is just way too dark. That pink chrome has such a dark reflect in it, like it's such a dark pink chrome that it always came out like burgundy or something. But flamenco is very light toned, so you can put that right on top of any pink. It looked really great on top of OMG pink too, but it was still a bit too dark for me. I wanted baby pink, and this is the best I have been able to ever find, even from those Banggood chrome polishes. This is the best baby pink chrome I've been able to find, and these looked 1,000 times better in outdoor lighting. They look really good here, but outdoors the baby pink is just off the chain. Even in low lighting, like just sitting here as I'm filming this voiceover, I'm looking at the nails and they look incredible in low lighting, like natural lighting. Go check out my Insta, you can see how it looks there. But yeah guys, thank you so much. I'm glad y'all been loving the videos lately. Y'all came through yesterday with the views on that video. I was kind of shook. I got views within an hour that I usually never get that fast. Like it takes a whole day to get those kind of views. So I'm seeing that you guys are loving the long nails. I'm seeing that you guys are loving the polygel application, so I'm gonna try to keep that coming. It definitely is taking a toll on me. Like my back is hurting and I was getting like carpal tunnel in my hand yesterday, but I'm gonna try to do it for as long as possible because I love it too. Like I'm loving the nails. But yeah guys, if you are new, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. Become part of this crazy nail family. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love y'all so much, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.